Hello everyone, today I am showing you how to make chickens. So please share, like this videos. We will need watercolors, sketch pink or red sketch pen, and we will need water and a chart paper. So please do like this video. Let's start. First I am dipping my thumb in the water. And then I am taking my thumb on the lemon yellow color, and then when I am done, I am taking this and putting on my boot. Like this every four. Just in one time you should take water and do 4 chickens and then stop, take water, then do it. Now I am done with my 4. That's why I am stopping. Now I will take my pink sketch pen and draw 2 eyes, 1 and 2, and 1 beak, and the face, happy face. Now I am making my chicken's legs, so 2 standing line, and you can make like this, 2 slanting line and this to every bird. Now I am again starting the thumb. Bye bye.